Amount of an annuity, defining variables. The amount of an annuity is this quantity down here. We're going to put periodic payments of size R into an account, earning a specified rate of interest for a specific term. And at the end, the amount is how much we have. So instead of paying off a loan, conceivably, we could be saving up, for instance, in a retirement account. Here's a formula. We'll work on this in a couple sections. We don't really need that now. S is the amount, R is the payment size. I would be R divided by 12, the annual rate divided by 12 if it was monthly. If it's an annual, then we'll just leave I this alone. And then it'd be number of years times 12 if it's monthly, or if it's yearly, we'll leave that alone. Here's a couple examples. We're going to put $300 a month into an account at 9% annual interest for 20 years. At the end, we have $240, $365, $61. Two sections from now, I'll show you how to use this formula to calculate that amount. But here it's given. We just wanted to find the variables. S is the amount. That's what we have at the end. That's $240, $365, $61. R is the payment size, $300 per month. Now this is an annual rate, but money is going in monthly. Okay, per month, $300 per month. So I has to be per month. That's why we divide 0.09 over 12. It's going to be 0.0075. N is going to be the number of months. How many months in 20 years? 20 times 12, 240. Now we can calculate the total payments are going to be $72,000. And that's just simply 300 times 240. You can do that on a calculator. Times 300 to give you that. Total interest earned, this is what you get out. You get out $240,000, you put in $72,000. The difference is $168,365.61. That's a lot of interest to earn over a long period of time. You have time working for you. Now here's a similar situation. Instead of putting money in by the month, we could put $3,600 per year in. It's the same cash flow equivalent. 300 times 12 months is $3,600 per year. Except we're going to wait till the end of the year. You could accumulate this money from your paycheck, put it in a savings account. At the end of the year, go pick it up and put it into our mutual fund. And we're still getting 9% interest for 20 years. We only have $224,000. Here we had $240,000. Extra $16,000 comes about here from the money goes in earlier. We have a cash flow going in for a whole year accumulating interest, whereas in this situation we wait till the end of the year. That minor alteration accumulates to $16,000 over a whole 20 years of investing. Now in this case, S is equal to 224, 176.43. That's the amount. And the payment is $3,600. Now these are annual payments, and this is an annual interest rate. If the rate's stated, it's normally an annual interest rate. I is 0.09. And N, number of years, we're paying annually, number of years 20, N is just going to be a plain 20. Total payments, you can multiply 3,600 times 20 to figure out 72,000. How much interest did you earn? Well, that's what you take out, that's what you put in, subtract the two, gives you 152, 176.43. So, okay, that's all for this section. We'll be back shortly with a video on sinking fund schedules.